This is a review of the Love Me Straight Bob with Bangs Minimalist Undetectable Lace Wig. I did get two parcels in the mail from Love Me, so I'm excited to see what these are. You see I got two pieces that came, and I am going to open them up to see what is in there. So opening up and pulling this out. Look at what's in there, guys. So here we got, this looks like a hair bonnet. It's a really nice hair bonnet too. Silk. So it comes with this as extra accessories. Let me try this on. To protect the Love Me hair. If I'm sleeping in it, I guess. Oh, I'm not gonna try it on right now because my hair is getting messed up. Okay, so I don't know how I'm gonna put in the hair with my big bun right here. I'm gonna have to pull it out actually. So what if it gets messed up, right? So I'm gonna go ahead and try on the bonnet. So it comes with, and I'm still trying not to mess up my hair even though it's already gonna be all messed up. So that's what the bonnet looks like, as you can see. So this lovely silk purple bonnet, and my hair is done for, my hairstyle. So that's one item that it comes with, and it also comes with this lovely pouch, and it says Love Me Hair Affordable Luxury Wig. That cute, adorable pouch. And in the pouch, it comes with, it looks like a, so it does come with the headband, and I guess this might be just an additional accessory, or it might be something to keep it from keeping the Love Me wig from falling off, or keep it more in place. Or it could also possibly be used for as an additional accessory, as a headband. So thank you, Love Me. It's beautiful. I'm actually quite happy with my purchase so far. So let's see. So it also comes with the baby hair brush as well, or edges brush with a little comb at the opposite end. Nice for my baby hair. Okay, so we got that. Now let's see. Got to keep your edges or your baby hair nice and neat. Okay, so now, and it also comes with a wig cap, which is fantastic. So there's a wig cap, which I am gonna put on one right now. And it comes with two pieces of wig cap. There's one, and it comes with an extra wig cap as well. So I'm going to put on one of this. And I am no expert at wearing wigs, so guys, do pardon me. As you can see, I do have my bump right here with the wig cap. There it goes. Ooh, look at that, look at that. What do you guys think? It looks beautiful. I actually like the presentation. I like the way they presented it with the little bow, the purple bow over the box. It's pretty nice. I like the presentation. Now let's look at the wig itself. Take it off. Enjoy your hair journey from now on. Helena, the founder of Love Me Hair. So it comes. Open that up. And there is the hair. Take that out. also comes with an additional Love Me Hair Simple Beauty bag to store the hair in as well. She also sent a user's guide as well. Okay, so I'm no expert. It also come with a gift card as well, which is nice. Let's see, Love Me. Well, I can tell you everything looks nice and neat so far. The hair doesn't look all messed up. So let's see. So the hair looks. It's pretty much like may have to just kind of like put a little flip at the ends, but it looks pretty nice and neat so far. Let's try it on. So it does have a band inside. It does have a band which will basically keep the hair nice and snug as well, and it has the clips as well, the combs right here as well. Okay, and this comes with one comb at the back and one at the right and left side. Okay, so let's try this on. See, this is my first time trying on Love Me Hair wig. So, oh guys, can you see that right out the box? Oh, I feel like a superstar right now, and it looks beautiful out the box. Okay guys, so I do have some strands of my hair in my face right now. So what I did do is I went ahead and I brushed it a little, and that's all I did. Just brush it a little bit, still right out the box. And I really like this wig right here. So this is straight out the box. It comes straight out the box, ready to go. You know, as you can see, it's absolutely good. I still have my bun. So what I did is I flattened my bun a little bit, but if you look really closely, you may still be able to see it. But I actually like this. I actually like the way it looks, and straight out the box, I didn't have to do any work to it at all, more than just brush it a little. That's it. It is very soft, very flowy. It flows, and it looks very natural, and I'm absolutely happy with it. So that's my review on Love Me Hair